Good morning guys and welcome back sa ating channel. Umagang napakaganda ng araw ngayon guys. Napakaganda ng araw and we just came back from the Apple store. Si anak ko ang nag-drive papunta doon. Medyo busy ang umaga ko ngayon. Oh. Ito na lang. Kunti na lang siya eh. Dito talaga ako pag umaga, dito talaga ako pumuwi. Guys, super busy si Mommy from the store. Early kami pumunta sa store dahil alam mo na, ngayon ay maraming COVID, nag-rise na naman ang COVID guys. So, very early kami doon, namili kami ng groceries namin dahil kailangan namin ng porridge. Sarap ng pineapple. 87 cents lang from kagabi, kaninang umaga, ngayon mag-lunch na, andito pa rin si pineapple. Nakabili tayo ng very yummy and hot cheddar, healthy cheddar bread. Meron tayong country white sourdough. And meron din tayo dito French bread. Well, tingnan natin guys, gaano ito kasarap. And ngayon guys, we went to the Apple store unboxing. Oy, would you like me to unbox, sweetie, or you will unbox it? So we went to the Apple store and she bought this one dahil kailangan talaga pag if you have college students, they really need something. Of course, we parents, we are going to support our students. So nakabili siya ng iPad Pro. Since meron siyang old na laptop, we don't give her right away, you know. We have to give it if it's really needed. So this time guys, since nag-college na siya, binigay na namin. She's asking this for 2 years na. She's asking for 2 years, but she got a laptop. Ang laptop niya is Apple din. This time guys, since nag-college na siya, so we buy her an iPad. Her laptop, she got that one when she's 8th grader. Think about that, 8th grader, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5 years, 6 years na siya, she got her laptop, and then she's asking this one for 2 years now. So finally guys, since nag-college na siya, so we gave her the iPad Pro. Finally guys, we give her the iPad Pro dahil kailangan daw niya for, you know, note taking. Dahil sa mga biology student guys, kailangan nila ng mga high-tech. So, second semester for college, saka na siya nagka-iPad na naman. Since meron naman siyang, may telephone, she still can use her telephone, she still can use her laptop, but we didn't give her right away. So this time guys, unboxing. I don't think I will unbox this, sweetie. So she got this iPad Pro, 11 inches. And she needs, of course, she need a cover para ito siya, my iPad, wala na siyang cover dahil siya guys, nasira na siya. Pero ang nadikit na lang dito guys is yung magnet ang magnet ng na lang siya nakadikit, but it's okay. I'm not into dahil nasa bahay lang ako. But to our students, we need to support them. Ito siya is cover para rin siya. Pwede siya ma-cover and pwede ma-stand. O diba? So, kailangan din nila ng pencil. Akala ko pencil ay mura lang, $50, but hindi pala, $126. But she needs this one for her note-taking. Well, ganyan sa ating student, guys. Thank you, Daddy, for supporting your students. So, ayan talaga. We're glad na may daddy kami na nag-support sa ating students. I want A+, okay? Study hard is B+. Walang C this time. Nako, talaga, if you have C, we'll never buy you any more of those nice gadgets. Okay, well, thank you for watching sa lahat ng nanonood dyan. Sa hindi pa nakasubscribe ni Mommy, please click the subscribe button, guys, and welcome to Jennifer's Clubhouse. I don't think I will unbox this one. Well unboxed. Mahirap kasi siya i-unbox. Oh wow, you have a white pen. Guys, it's a white pen. It's nice. And this one, black cover. Well, sweetie, you unbox your stuff. I have to make salad for Daddy because Daddy is here now. So, ayan, maganda, oh. During Christmas time, they don't have it. We plan to buy this online. But finally, napunta kami sa Apple Store today. They have a new stocks, 2022. So, nakabili kami guys. Otherwise, nagdalawang isip na bibili online. Otherwise, if they deliver that one in our front door, somebody will snatch it. You know, maraming mga pirate ngayon guys. They will just follow the Amazon, the Amazon truck. Oh yeah, this one is. Oh my gosh, you even have a very nice camera, like a telephone. A or A plus, okay?
Yeah.
What would you say?
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Technically, Santa Claus.
Thank you, Santa Claus, but it's
Daddy
not
can dress
Christmas,
up like
guys.
Santa Claus next year.
It doesn't mean that it's Christmas, you have to have this,
We're
but
gonna
she's
dress up as
asking
Santa
this
Claus
for more
next
than
year?
2 years. Now finally she got this one.
That's crazy.
But you have your laptop for like 6 years, huh? Since
Yeah.
you're 8th grader.
Yeah, when
Since
I
when
first
you're
went to
8th grader at
Tassus.
Tassus. So, well guys, she got her laptop while she's at Tassus, 8th grader. And this one. So, it's not really like every other year that we buy this. It's like, if it's really needed, then that's the time you have to give it. Andito ako ngayon guys. Hinihintay ko si Liit dahil si Liit ay nasa school. Ano na yan, time to pick up na ni Liit. So, andito tayo. And, kaninang umaga, very early in the morning, pumunta kami sa store dahil ng grocery, o diba? And then, itong college student ko, she needs an iPad. So, last Christmas, wala kaming iPad nakita sa mga Apple stores. Ngayon, bagong sila nag-restocking. Nako, siya ang pinadrive ko guys. Dito tayo sa labas dahil nagluto tayo ng chicken. Oh dear. Na-miss ko nang kumain ng chicken. Well, it's been, Christmas pala. Noong 24 pala nakaluto kami ng chicken. And then ngayon, dahil pag magandang araw guys, talagang gusto ko yung lalabas and magluto-luto. Yan, i-close natin ito para maluto siya. So, ito siya ay sweet baby ribs. Yan. So, ito ang i-wipe natin para masarap. Ito masarap siya na, masarap siya na sauce. And, para super sarap guys, lagyan natin siya ng sauce. Yung moso.